Emergency alert system. Coastal weather advisory. Dense fog conditions expected overnight. Residents are advised to remain indoors after 9 p.m. due to reduced visibility conditions. Emergency services report unidentified individuals appearing within fog-covered areas. Do not approach voices originating outside your residence. Cellular outages reported. Avoid travel. Lock all entry points. Do not open the door. Do not respond verbally. Do not acknowledge familiar voices. They are observing human behavior. Remain inside until fog lifts. Do not look directly into the fog. Signal restored. NOAA Emergency Response Division. Do not acknowledge the person standing behind you. Weather conditions are